what's up? I just woke up. Going down the hall. See if I have any packages. I don't know what temperature it is. See if there's any more. That's scandalous. How they just leave it in the hall like that? Scandalous. Alright, got it. Smells like a cigarette. I don't know whose room that is. Shoes on. What's up? Oh, there goes Cousin Z.
I see the shoe on your face.
Okay.
Let me raise it up a little bit.
Thumb itches. Head itches. Let's do it. Swing. Sing.
It's recording?
Yeah. Swing. Let's see. What we got in the box? Air. We got air in the box. And a light for my camera. Ooh. I wonder if it works now. Nope, batteries. Let's put some batteries in it. It's not working. So I think it isn't working.
What's not working?
The batteries or the light. Maybe I put them in the wrong way.
Those chargeable batteries you put in.
Yeah. Like,
Hit it.
should be blinding us right now.
Yeah, if you looking at it, but then again, it could be set up to where
It has to be connected to the whatchamacallit. Uncle Isaac figures that out. Phone chargers. I get the blue. You need a phone charger, Uncle Isaac? Ooh, look at these wall ports. It comes with 2 of them, like 2 cords.
Oh, wow.
Thank you, Fats. And a little black box. Maybe it's something about them rechargeable batteries. Did the light go off on them?
Go off. Yep. Came on and went off. What's this?
It's like, I don't know if I want to watch. There it is. He got it working. Jeez, I have to stare into that. I see another charger. This will probably charge that little thing. That speaker.
You can try that out.
Oh. No. Stop. Help me.
I can really see you now.
Ah.
I can see all the blemishes and no.
Oh. It's a massager. Or the neck. It is.
Dude, shut with that. It's rated PG.
Hit the stop button. I put a leash on this thing.
Oh, here, everybody's going to be curious about that.
Oh, watch this one. He's having compulsions. Okay, settle down. Settle down. Okay, it says 37. It feels like 34. Got the code on. Let's go out here and test. It's kind of nippy out. I'm glad I came with the jacket. So my plans today is to finish hooking up my rear view. See, I have a camera right there. I don't know if you can see it. And then I have to run the cord from here. And I'm thinking where I should put my camera. So while we're out here, oh, it's like as long as you're in the sun, man. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh, then that wind hits you in the face like. Let's see what we got in here. The same old from yesterday. Look at this sky. The hill with the sound of music. Oh, look at the horses. You see them? They're that. They're right there. That's the fire station. Woo. All right. All right, all right. Oh, I thought those were dumpsters. So, it is kind of nippy. Up, the sun went behind the clouds. Let's see what ventures we get in today. Okay. So here's what I am attempting to do. I want to pop this off, and then I want to take this camera, which I have to disconnect, and I want to hook it up in here. Make sure. Ow! I smashed my finger. I need to clean my car out. A piece of candy. Okay. Piece of candy will make me feel better. I heard it. Ah, it's nice and frozen. Ow! Why do things have to hurt? Hey! Okay. I have to go around. Dang, I need a WD-40 in my door. With my awesome tinted windows, I can't see nothing. But I know. Alright, first off, we're gonna spray these daggone hinges. Like, man, I've been wanting to do this all year. Boom! You hear that? What's that stuff? Let me hit that with the one. Alright, you won't be hearing from that anymore. Alright, so I just got done connecting the camera I didn't put it back there like I wanted to because it didn't angle how I wanted to. Woo! And the temperature just dropped out of nowhere. My fingertips, I cannot feel them. I had gloves on, so I ran it through my car. I had to take my license plate off. And there it is. There it is. Just gotta do some finishing touches and I'm done. Here they come.
I got some brand new shoes.
What? You got some brand new shoes on the wrong foot?
Yeah.
Hey. Move your book back so I can see. On the wrong foot. On the wrong foot.
Look what I did. Look, got my shirt all dirty.
Yeah, you did. Was you playing?
Yeah, and why does it sit like that? And I was like, oh, you walk, blah, blah, blah.
Man, you're so dark.
Oh,
It's like I couldn't get you. It just looked like a black shadow standing there. Did you get any new shoes?
nope. I did.
Hurry. Here, I got that. You go pee.
I have something to tell everyone.
What? She's pregnant.
Who?
Now, I don't know. Is that her name? She's a Chinese girl?
No. Mom, another bully bullied me.
Who?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't want to say no names on camera. I got you. We got one more.
Actually, I know
Oh, he's waiting for the camera to go down. Look at the back of those heads, boy.
Mommy, I know
What?
who bullied me.
Who? Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time. Peanut butter jelly time.
Why do we got grapes?
And grapes. I made one for myself. Two more cooking. Ricky, how does that look on there?
Looks pretty good. Yeah, it does.
Okay.
Looks okay.
Looks okay. Is that? Ah! What about right? Ah!
Alright, that's right.
Gee, okay. I'm about to go outside and finish with my car. And I'm taking
Mama, Jojo, Ricky. And he's sad.
with me so that way they get out some.
For his face.
Man, this light is bright. Cool, I can use it under my car. Do 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 do. Look at them. Oh man, I probably need some scissors. Get off me. Ricky!
Ah!
Ricky! I need a knife. Okay, never mind. Ricky! I said I need a knife or something.
A knife?
Yup.
Right.
I want to wrap this whole thing. Ugh, somebody smells like a cigarette.
I thought you were going somewhere.
train. All right, just hold it. That's a big old train. Okay.
No.
And he brings the biggest knife possible.
What? Look. Oh no.
Okay. There we go. Oh man, we missed the train. Yeah, get off that tree. Open the door. Holy smokes. It's cold.
Oh my god, it's colors.
Now hide from me. We need to do something with them. Mel? Ready to head into Minot because we are under a winter advisory and there's going to be a big storm coming in. So be prepared. I probably said it wrong, but oh well. Let's see. Ah! Where's my purse? There it is. Do I have some money? Probably not. We are about to head into town. Let me turn that down. And she emphasized that run.
Over.
It's the same aisle we was in that one other video. Cat food and kitty litter. Look at this. Side sleeper. Ooh. I feel like it will support my neck. Yes.
It has mint leaf in it.
Yeah.
Everybody got one?
Yep. I got these. Mom, so whenever I went here, I thought this was a big one. Like that one. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep.
There. Ooh,
Mom,
it's hanging in there. What's up, Mia?
so if we pass Santa, you'll be climbing the Christmas tree.
Where did Uncle Isaac go? Oh. What, Mia?
Oh my god.
You don't want that.
And one of these are sizes. So the one that's like a
Ooh.
sure. Oh, I can't do that. I can do this.
Who dares me to?
There's you. Oh, it's not back here.
Up. Joe has to go pee. I'm taking him to the restroom. Pee. Stop at Walmart. Look at that thing. I ain't never seen it before. That's so cool. It's me and me, yeah. the basket.
Joe, get off the basket.
Look, there you go. Well, everybody just stay right here. Oh, catch up.
So you mixed it up.
Really? Those are my favorite ones, Uncle.
What's that?
Cookies.
I want those.
Man, look how this is $7. Heck no. And look, this one went up $2.
Since we came up here?
Yeah. Oh no, it's right here. Jeez, look how little this is. I can.
Okay. That has sugar.
Yeah.
But shredded wheat. That's good. Good Friday.
Try this. I know what's not sugary.
Raisin Bran.
I felt something with honey. I felt something with honey. Joe, sometimes that's with honey.
I love Raisin Bran. Oh, I love Raisin Bran Crunch.
No, we ain't getting that.
So we're shopping because there's going to be a big storm coming in. And oh my gosh, look at those.
Did they just make these?
Oh wow.
Tiny buns.
I ain't never seen those. They left me.
Maybe there's good sorry.
I'm like spinning a dollar.
Hey!
Hey. Mia's mad because she doesn't get to push the basket. There goes Joe. Joe, you almost made me drop my phone.
Because a needle.
Oh, and we need cheese. Now we're going to get something for me because these are getting too big. And since I work out, voila! Jeez, $10? Just tie a trash bag around me. Oh, that one zips in front. That means that the zipper will come undone. I ain't gonna like that. I don't like sports bras, man. They're so hard to get out of and in of. Hello. I'm gonna try this one on.
Okay, you can go on the second one now.
Okay. Jeez. So, we just stopped in at Sally's to buy me and Mia some mane and tail because we got nigga hair. And mane and tail is all I use for our nigga hair. And then Uncle Isaac It's over here.
Oh.
Come on, Mia.
I saw that doll. My doll.
You don't need it. What's up? We're cool. Have you seen a black guy? Nope. Where did they go? Where is Uncle Isaac? Now tell me they're probably in the car. They probably are.
They're probably. You. You. So I got
We beat ya, we beat ya.
Here, let me see. What you did?
Some mane and tail?
That's it?
Yep.
Yeah. I need to close my eyes. Yeah, you gotta close your eyes.
Trying to take if we need anything else.
I don't need to get candy.
Because it's get one free.
Let me get a toy.
Heck no. Stop asking me. Because you know I'm going to say no.
Put that back there.
Take it back up, please.
What is that?
Fortnite cat. Fortnite cat. It's a Fortnite cat. Let me see. Mom, look.
So these, my niece and my niece's no, the extra.
Where's Ricky? Oh.
Come on, guys. Let's stay back.
Uncle Isaac has a thing about talking to white women, man. What?
Remember the candy that you bought us? Tell us some.
Give me a quarter. I'll get you some.
We have a quarter.
Look at all them toys, yo.
I want her.
The donations. I don't know why my hands.
I want him.
Grab a bag.
Joe. What's wrong with him?
Because he was taking too long, he's trying to get the 75-cent one. Man, what the heck? Uncle Isaac, I promise it ain't me, man.
What's that?
The police, man, they're following us. I'm probably like, who is this guy?
I want to spin on McDonald's.
Okay,
Can I?
Ricky, you got your badge on. You run over there.
Can I spin on McDonald's? Hey,
Did you just hit that?
hey, Auntie. Hey, Auntie.
That's eventually.
You did.
How many times you get away with it? It'll be that one time.
Yep. Get in, Mia.
You said pop.
North Dakota's finest.
For whatever reason, she was doing that. And sometimes I think, I want to say,
I took the quarter because he was taking too long to decide.
no, it wasn't on the phone. Joe, Ricky, what did I tell you last time? I told you, you do not pick up anything. I don't care if it's on the phone, anything. You could be over there with that police officer. He putting that lady in the car. Because they just decided to go ahead and say, well, Ricky picked it up off the floor and put it in his mouth. Listen to me, man. Don't do it again. I don't want to have to tell you. That's the second time. Okay? Don't do it again.
Not Taco Bell boy. Not Taco Bell boy.
Driving through mine, not.
Got purple. You guys say taco. Taco. No taco. No hat.
Taco Tuesday. That's Taco John's.
Okay. It says that we should be coming up on it. In
It must be in
0.3
that
miles.
mall back
Yeah.
up here.
Here goes the UPS store. That's the same store we went and got the thing from. There it goes. How come nobody seen that but Ricky?
Get out of here! That was standing right out in the clear too.
Man.
I looked
I saw it.
way past it.
I saw it.
We got some Hardee's for the trip home. My bad. Everybody eating. Everybody happy.
Yeah.
All right.
You already. I would prefer.
Jesse liking his new shoes, man. Jesse, you gonna make that shelf fall. I still see your shoes. Get out of Uncle Isaac's stuff. Now pick up the guitar. Yeah. Here we go. Work it. Work it. I'm going in. I'm going in. Okay, so I get up and come to the bathroom to go to the restroom, and I look in the mirror and I have this on my face. I put black tape on my face like an hour and a half ago, and I took it off. It just been on my face this whole time. I didn't even know. Oh my goodness.